Welcome to Varma Scholar. If you've just completed your 10th grade and are wondering what's next, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore your options. First up, we have ITI or Industrial Training Institutes. These institutes are designed to provide specialized training in various trades and technical skills. If you love working with your hands and want to learn a specific trade, ITI could be a great fit. These institutes offer a practical approach to education, focusing on hands-on experience rather than just theoretical knowledge. Fields like electrician, mechanic, welder, and fitter are where ITIs excel. These trades are in high demand, and skilled professionals in these areas are always needed. You can apply directly to an ITI with your 10th pass certificate. The application process is straightforward, making it accessible for many students. Admission is usually based on your 10th grade marks, and some ITIs might have a simple entrance test. This ensures that students have a basic understanding before diving into specialized training. The training at ITIs is very hands-on, focusing on practical skills that will prepare you directly for the workforce. You'll learn by doing, which is one of the best ways to gain confidence and competence in your chosen field. You'll spend a lot of time in workshops getting real-world experience. This practical exposure is invaluable and sets ITI graduates apart from those who only have classroom-based education. ITI courses typically range from 6 months to 2 years, so you can acquire these valuable skills in a relatively short amount of time. This means you can start your career sooner and begin earning a livelihood. Many ITIs also have tie-ups with industries, which means you might even have a job lined up before you graduate. These partnerships often lead to internships and job placements, giving you a head start in your career. Graduating from an ITI not only equips you with technical skills, but also boosts your confidence and opens up numerous opportunities. It's a stepping stone to a successful and fulfilling career in various trades. So if you're looking to build a strong foundation in a trade and want to start working as soon as possible, consider enrolling in an ITI. It's your gateway to hands-on skills and a promising future. Next, let's talk about a fantastic opportunity for those of you who have your sights set on a career in engineering. Imagine a place where your passion for technology and innovation is nurtured from a young age. The RGUKT 3Ts in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. These institutions are designed to be the perfect launchpad for aspiring engineers. They offer a unique integrated program that you can join right after your 10th grade. This means you don't have to go through the traditional route of completing your 11th and 12th grades separately. Instead, you can directly enter a 6-year integrated B.Tech program at RGUKT. This program is meticulously designed to provide a seamless transition from high school to university-level engineering education. The selection process is based on your 10th grade GPA, so you'll need a strong academic record. This ensures that only the most dedicated and capable students are admitted. You'll need to apply online through the RGUKT portal, and if you're shortlisted, you'll be called for counseling. This process is designed to be straightforward and transparent, making it easy for you to take the next step in your academic journey. Think of it this way: you're essentially completing your 11th, 12th, and B.Tech all in one go, saving you a year compared to the traditional route. This not only accelerates your education, but also gives you a head start in your engineering career. The RGUKT 3Ts are known for their rigorous curriculum, experienced faculty, and state-of-the-art facilities. The faculty members are experts in their fields, dedicated to providing you with the best education possible. If you're passionate about technology and ready to dive deep into the world of engineering, the RGUKT 3Ts offer an incredible opportunity to excel in this field. You'll be surrounded by like-minded peers, all driven by the same goal of becoming top-notch engineers. Additionally, the collaborative environment at RGUKT encourages teamwork and innovation. You'll have numerous opportunities to work on real-world projects, participate in competitions, and gain hands-on experience that is invaluable in the engineering industry. Beyond academics, RGUKT also offers a range of extracurricular activities to ensure a well-rounded education. From coding boot camps to engineering workshops, you'll have plenty of opportunities to expand your skills and knowledge. The vibrant campus life at RGUKT ensures that you not only excel academically, but also grow personally. With cultural events, sports, and various student clubs, you'll find a perfect balance between studies and recreation. So if you're ready to embark on an exciting journey towards engineering excellence, consider RGUKT 3Ts as your launchpad. It's a place where your dreams can take flight, and your potential can be fully realized. If you're in Telangana and looking for another great option for engineering after 10th grade, 3T Basara is worth considering. 3 Basara offers a 6-year integrated B.Tech program under the RGUKT system. Admission to I3T Basara is merit-based, with your 10th grade GPA playing a crucial role. To apply, visit the RGUKT Basara portal online and fill out the application form. If you're shortlisted based on your 10th grade marks, you'll be called for a counseling session. 3 Basara is known for its focus on providing quality education to students from rural backgrounds. If you're from a rural area in Telangana and aspire to become an engineer, 3T Basara provides an excellent platform to pursue your dreams. Let's say you're eager to enter the workforce and start building a career right after 10th grade. DRDA Corporate Admissions could be an excellent option. It's an initiative that connects students with skill development programs offered in partnership with various industries. These programs equip you with the specific skills and knowledge that companies are looking for. The programs are tailored to different sectors, so you can choose one that aligns with your interests. The admission process varies. Some might be merit-based, while others might involve an entrance test. The biggest advantage is that these programs are designed with industry needs in mind. Many of these programs include internships or apprenticeships, giving you valuable work experience even before you graduate. This hands-on experience can significantly boost your employability. Now let's explore another fantastic option: residential schools and colleges in Telangana. These institutions offer a focused and supportive learning environment to excel in your studies after 10th grade. Telangana has a strong network of residential schools and colleges run by various government and private organizations. These institutions are known for their commitment to providing quality education and creating a conducive learning atmosphere. They offer a highly structured and disciplined environment that's conducive to focused learning. Experienced faculty members provide personalized attention and valuable guidance to prepare you for competitive exams. The admission process typically involves an entrance test. Residential schools and colleges can be particularly beneficial if you thrive in a structured environment and are preparing for competitive exams. Let's talk about Navodaya Vidyalaya, or JNVs, renowned for quality education in India. These schools have been a beacon of hope for many students, especially those from rural backgrounds, providing them with opportunities they might not have had otherwise. JNVs are residential schools run by the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti under the Ministry of Education. They are designed to nurture the academic and personal growth of students, ensuring they receive a well-rounded education. They focus on providing quality education to talented students from rural areas. This initiative helps bridge the educational gap between urban and rural regions, offering equal opportunities to all. If you've completed your 10th grade and are interested in joining a JNV for your 11th and 12th grade, you'll need to appear for the JNV selection test. This test is designed to identify students with exceptional academic potential. The selection is purely merit-based, depending on your performance in the exam. This ensures that only the most deserving students get the opportunity to study at these prestigious institutions. JNVs are known for their rigorous academic curriculum, experienced teachers, and emphasis on extracurricular activities. These schools not only focus on academics, but also encourage students to participate in sports, arts, and cultural events. They provide a holistic learning environment that prepares students for board exams and various competitive exams. The comprehensive education system ensures that students are well prepared for future challenges. Detailed information about the exam syllabus, application process, and important dates can be found on the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti website. Make sure to visit the site regularly to stay updated and take the first step towards a brighter future. Let's explore Polytechnic courses, a popular pathway after 10th grade. These are diploma courses in various engineering and technology disciplines, offering a practical and hands-on approach. You can enroll in a Polytechnic course right after completing your 10th grade. To get into a Polytechnic course, you'll need to appear for an entrance exam like the Polytechnic Common Entrance Test, PolySet. Your performance in the PolySet exam will determine your rank for the admission process. Based on your rank, you can apply for different Polytechnic colleges and courses of your choice. Polytechnic courses typically range from 3 to 4 years in duration. During the course, you'll be exposed to a blend of theoretical concepts and practical training, including workshops and industry visits. Let's talk about government colleges, a cornerstone of higher education in India. These institutions offer a wide range of undergraduate courses across various streams. Government colleges are known for their affordability, with significantly lower fees compared to private institutions. They often have experienced faculty members who provide valuable insights and guidance. Government colleges usually have a diverse student body, creating a vibrant and inclusive learning environment. The admission process is usually merit-based, with your 10th grade marks playing a crucial role. Some colleges may also conduct entrance exams for professional courses. Government colleges offer a wide range of undergraduate courses across streams like science, arts, commerce, and management. We've explored a diverse range of options available to you after 10th grade. Remember, the key is to choose a path that aligns with your strengths, passions, and long-term goals. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your dreams.